This 2022 CrossRoads Volante 3601LF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.